In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on your DoorDash app. Notifications can be handy, but sometimes they become overwhelming or unnecessary, so I'm here to help guide you through managing them effectively. First things first, let's navigate to the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Perhaps you've already been using DoorDash for a while, or maybe you're just getting started. Either way, it's good to have control over the number of notifications your phone receives to keep your experience seamless and tailored to your needs. Once the DoorDash app is open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice a profile icon there labeled Accounts. This is your destination. Tap on this icon to enter your account setting. What you'll see next are various options related to your account, payment methods, and more. For this particular task, we're focusing on the Notifications option, which is listed among these settings. Click on Notifications to move forward. Now, within the Notifications menu, you'll find a list of notification types associated with your DoorDash account. These can range from order updates and promotional offers to general announcements from DoorDash. It's here that you have the power to customize your notification preferences. If your goal is to turn off notifications entirely, you'll need to toggle off each option available. Simply swipe or click the switch next to each notification type to the off position. This action will immediately halt any further notifications in that category from being sent to your device. If there are certain notifications you still wish to receive, feel free to leave those toggled to on. This flexibility allows you to receive only the alerts that matter to you. For those who like to stay organized, I recommend double-checking the notification settings before closing the app. It's an easy way to confirm that all your preferences are set just the way you want them. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your notification settings within the DoorDash app. With your notifications managed, you can look forward to a less distracting, more focused mobile experience. If you ever decide to revisit these settings, simply follow the same steps. Open the DoorDash app, tap the account icon, navigate to notifications, and adjust as needed. Keep in mind that you can always re-enable notifications if you change your mind or need them back. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and straightforward. If you found this guide useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on effectively managing your digital life.